How to fix WhatsApp storage full problem. Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let's quickly check out the way that you can fix if your WhatsApp is out of storage. Now, the first thing that you can ensure is that you try to delete all of the unnecessary chats that you have stored on inside of your WhatsApp. To do that, you can just head over to the three dotted line on the top right. Head over to settings. From settings, if you scroll down, you need to head over to storage and data. And right here inside of manage storage, you're going to see all of the chats, the files, or the forwarded messages or items that you have been sent or that you've sent. So this is this exact section where you can delete all of those media as well as heavy chats. Additionally, what you can also try out is try to clear the app cache. So you just need to head out of the app of WhatsApp, tap and hold the app, and then head over to this eye icon. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the section called storage. Right here, you'll have the option called clear cache. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp storage full problem. If this video did help you out, do let us know. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.